Welcome to the breathtaking Hibiscus House in Botucatu, Brazil, a true masterpiece that seamlessly blends art, nature, and sustainability. Situated on a 5,000 square meters plot in the Demétria de Botucatu region, this 420 square meters architectural gem stands out exuberantly amidst the Cerrado of São Paulo and the Atlantic forest. What makes the Hibiscus House truly special is its commitment to preserving the environment. It utilizes aroeira or pepper tree pillars from the site's old building, showcasing a profound connection with the region's history.